I'm late with the express. I had the most amazing dream.
What did you dream about?
Please tell us.
I dreamt I had lightning powers, and it made me go supersonic speed.
I am so confused in many ways.
Please go into the details. I'm invested.
I was taking the morning express down the main line. There was this thunderstorm happening, but there was no rain. I was just minding my own business when... What's happening to my wheels?
I don't know, but be careful.
I feel stronger and faster. Let's put it to the test. Wahoo! This is awesome!
Gordon, sharp turn up ahead. We better slow down. Wait, I can't slow you down. What's going on?
Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. 1 winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Breakfast. Maybe I should have had breakfast. No, focus. Speed. Faster than fast. Quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Gordon, no!
So you had a crash in your dream. Great job, Gordon.
Yep, but at least it wasn't real. Am I right?
Hey, hope you liked the video. If you would like to see more of these, then make sure to subscribe and check out percyrebecca.com for some exclusive videos. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Rosie, you could have let me say something too.
Sorry, James.